What's going on, everybody? Josh here, and I want to do a side-by-side video comparison with the LG V20 and the Google Pixel XL. On the left-hand side is the V20, and on the right-hand side is the Pixel. It's both in 4K quality. I'm not going to do any editing other than cutting out some parts. But this is a rear camera test. I want to test out stability, test out any kind of halo kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and look at the sun, see if there's any kind of issues. Most of the time, it's going to be when the light is coming from the side. So just be on the lookout for that as I pan around and stuff like that. Also, there's that panning issue with the Pixel. That'll be kind of choppy. So I'm just going to pan around like this, see which phone does better. I also want to test out audio quality. So as I'm going through all this, let me know down in the comments what it sounds like, what it looks like to you. Tell me which one you think is better.
You don't know how to skateboard? I can show you.
Alright, so hopefully you get a good idea of what the stabilization is like, what the lighting is like. Hopefully you got a good idea about what audio and visual kind of quality is like with the Google Pixel versus the V20. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.